Hello friends of our homestead. In our this week's video we like to show you what this thing is for and which upgrade we made on our sawmill. I made these tiny little helper for the farm a couple weeks ago, so it's nothing else than a squeezed little piece of pipe welded to a bit. It fits to a regular electric battery drill or to an impact driver. I made it to screw the fence post insulator easier into the fence posts. But still, I always pre-drill the holes for the insulators before I screw them in. And it definitely makes the installation from electric fence way easier. And special if you have to screw a lot of fence post insulators in fence posts. In our case, we installed the fence around the garden a couple weeks ago. I tried to make the deer safe, what it should be, but I forgot to put another fence line on the top of the solid fence to keep porcupines and other garden destroyer out of the garden. If you are new on our channel and you like what we do, don't forget to subscribe for our channel. Hit only the subscribe button in the lower right corner, and maybe don't forget to hit the button for the notification bell if you want to be up to date. It costs you nothing and helps us a lot. A simple piece of rebar helps to unroll the rope from the roll. We use simple wire rope clamps for fastening. And to put the gate hooks in. Here I changed the regular fence post insulator to a gate insulator. And again a wire rope clamp for fastening. we'll see if it's good enough or not to keep wild animals away from our garden. Definitely it looks good. But now it's time to build something. In this project I like to build an attachment for our Norwood sawmill. I have to drill a couple holes in the spacers from the tracks of the sawmill to keep the board clamps in place. For years I used regular C-clamps to clamp the boards upright to that little board you see in the back, but it's very time intensive, so I like to find another way, and I think with that board clamps the work should go very fast. So if they work like I hope, you only have to push a button on a switch to switch them on and off. Means to clamp them or to lose them, that you can take the boards off. I used normal 2 regular C-clamps, one on one end and the other on the other end, which means for every board I have to walk the distance of the length of the board from one end to the other end to clamp them to that holder. So with that pneumatic cylinders, the work should go at least 5 to 6 times faster. In that case, I can mill at least the triple or fourth amount of wood in the same time than before. We always try to waste nothing, so I like to mill the logs so that I have mostly nothing left over. And if you don't know how a block bandsaw works, in the case you like to cut the board so that nothing is left over, you have to put them upright to cut some live edges off, and here you need clamps to hold the boards upright. And here you can see how that works. The pneumatic cylinders are clamping the upright board to the holder. Without turning the handle of a regular C-clamp. The only thing I have to do, I have to push the button. I flipped it around and pushed the button again. One or two more of that pneumatic cylinders and the sawmill works absolute perfect. Anyway, it works way better than I expected. And it makes my life way easier than before. The lumber that I milled here is for our new goat barn project. I need a lot of lumber to close the outside walls of the barn. If you like to see the video how we upgraded our Norwood bandsaw blade sharpener, I put the link for you in the description down below, or hit the info button in the upper right corner. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comments down below and I answer you so soon as possible. That's it for this week. Thank you for watching this video, and it would be nice if you stay with us next week again.